Welcome to Maze Academy. In this lesson we'll be learning how to do differentiation using multiple rules. Part 1. This lesson will be solving this example that we see in our screens, which is sin x squared divided x 3x. Basically, the general idea of this lesson is how to do exercises and examples using multiple rules, for example using product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, and other rules that we already learned in the other lessons of Maze Academy, and also using different derivatives that we also already learned before. So for this, as you can see, we have to do some rules. For example, in this part, as you can see, we have to do quotient rule. But in this part of sin x squared is chain rule. So basically the lesson of this, the example of this lesson, we have to do chain rule plus quotient rule. And for doing more easier for you to understand this theme, will be initiating by or doing first of all the chain rule. So for this, if you don't know how to do chain rule, you can check Maze Academy site and in the video tutorials of how to do chain rule. But for this, we have to substitute first the x by the u prime, which is x squared, and then we have to multiply all of this times the u prime, which is 2x. So it will give you something like this. As you can see, it's cos, and this part is in the x of cos, and we multiply it by this. So in this part we just multiply these terms, which will give you something like this, and then we have to do quotient rule. So again, if you don't know how to do quotient rule, you can check Maze Academy videos and also the worksheets in order to learn how to do quotient rule. So the chain rule result, we have to add it in the f prime of x, which is the derivative of this term, and then we have to multiply these terms by this, and then this term by this, and then we have to divide all of this by the square of the g of x, and it will give you this. And in this part we just solve all of these equation or problem, and then we have to simplify some parts. For example, we can simplify the 9 and the 3. We just cancel the 3, and the 9 will convert into 3, and this part is just the final result.